Okay, welcome. We are doing a walkthrough demo of the Circuit Project Portfolio Management app, or Circuit. This is a minimum viable product, so this is a very simple product. We're looking at ways to keep all of the projects that are currently in a company's portfolio in front of the executive sponsors and or the customers. So we're going to walk through the features of the app one by one, and if you have questions, go ahead and send them to me at dale@swatage.com, and I will get back to you. All right, so we open up the app and we see what we call the project list view. So this view shows basically all of the projects and programs that are in a company's portfolio. So if you look at the top, you can see the name of the portfolio. Here it says Technobabble. And then underneath that, you see the different, what we call programs. So a program is a grouping of projects here. And so you can see that there's a program called Business Systems Updates, and another program called Marketing Automation, and another one called Product Engineering. So underneath each program, you have the individual projects, and you can see that there is the name of each project, a description, and then traffic light status, so red, yellow, green, or blue in some cases, which means that a project has been completed. Gray also is used in this app to mean that a project has not yet been started. So now I can look and I can see the status of each of these projects, but I can also tap up here in the upper right hand corner on this little timeline looking icon, and that will flip me over to this timeline view. So you can see that right now, beginning of June, there are, here are the projects that are in flight, and you can see that there are different milestones here represented by diamonds on the timeline, or concluding endpoints or milestones like by these circles. So if I tap on this diamond here for marketing automation, it'll pop up what that milestone is. So it shows that on May 31st, the creative was supposed to be complete for this particular project. Or I can tap over to the little circle here at the end of this, this organic social content project, and this milestone is that by June 21st, the campaigns will be measured, and so there will be findings to share with the team. All right, so I can see basically all the projects that are currently in flight. I can see what's happened in recent months and what's coming up. So scrolling back and forth here. Now if I want, I can also tap into a project or into a milestone. So I'm going to go ahead and tap into this organic social content project here. And it'll take me to this project detail view. So I can see a summary of what the timeline view for that specific project looks like at the top. I also see the project name, its status, its description, who is managing it. And then I can see issues, risks, corrective actions, and upcoming milestones for this project. So you can see that the milestones here are tracked by date. Milestones can be marked complete also, or incomplete. And so if a milestone is complete, then it is shown in gray. If it's overdue and incomplete, then it will show in red, and then the milestones that are pending but still incomplete are, but not over yet, overdue, those are marked here in black. Now, the scenario is that, let's say that I am the project manager for your project, and you're the executive or the customer. Well, as soon as I change the project status, so for example, if I change the organic social content project from in progress to, let's say I want to make it yellow, so now it's at risk. All right, so I see this push notification now that this project has been changed to at risk. So now it's yellow. You also get this push notification as the customer or as the executive, and then you can immediately go in and see what's going on with this specific project. Then you read the updates, and then you can tap either down here, ask a question about this project at the bottom, or you can tap in the upper right hand corner to take you over to a very simple chat. And this is when you follow up with me, the project manager, to ask, hey, what's going on? So here's this example. Hey, Dale, can you give me an update on recruiting the audio engineer? And I give my response. You can weigh in, provide input in real time. So the idea here is that we are shortening the time that it takes to respond to issues as they arise on the project. So rather than waiting for the dreaded status meeting where we have to go and do firefighting, we're actually solving these problems as they arise so that we can keep better control over the project and the project's environment. The concept here is to make the relationship between the project manager and the client slash customer slash executive sponsor more collaborative. We want to shorten that gap between those two different user types. And if you have any questions, we are currently in a beta phase. So if you would like to sign up to participate in our beta, just go to swatage.com and you'll see a form there where you can submit your contact information and we'll reach out to you and get you set up. So thank you very much for your time and attention, and hope you are striving for better projects to make your business better as well. Have a great day.